Muribwanji wonse, Tikulandi Landi, Zambian American. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Zambian American. Ikinyanja is Kazuba. Zuba is the sun. Kachoka is come out. So the sun has come out. The sun is shining. So that's for you, Omar. Kazuba Kachoka. But in this episode of the Zambian American, we are talking about shopping. So we're going to pick out how many we're going to get of something, how we're going to process the payment. So those are going to be the basics of shopping today. So here we go. Okay, if you want to say, give me these, or give me this, you say, nipase ni ichi. That's like, give me this. Nipase ni is to give me. Also, one of the things that I find interesting is with that word, a lot of times when Zambian speakers come to speak English, the word please is not always brought in because nipase ni is to give me. It just is a demand requirement, but it's kind of one of those English translation things that a lot of people learn. Nipase ni ichi or nipase ni ivi. Okay, let's give me this or give me these. Where does it come from? Chichokera kuti. Chichokera kuti. Where does it come from? Okay, that's just like I said earlier. Kazuba, kachoka, the sun has come out. Chichokera kuti. It's like, where does it come from? It's coming from where is how it would be in that order. If you will say it's nice, you say ni chabuino and ni chabuino. Like when you say muribwanji, you say bueno. If you just say it's nice, you say ni chabuino. If you say you like it, I like it, you say nachikonda. Nachikonda. And you'll know nikukonda means I love you, I like it, nachikonda. Okay, if you want to say I don't like it, you say sini nachikondi. Okay? Sini nachikondi. Sini nachikondi. I don't like it. If you just want to say, it's too big, you say nichikuru. Nichikuru, it's too big. If you want to say, it's very small, nikangono. So if you're in the market looking at a fruity, maapozi, maapozi nichikuru, wawama. He's nice. But if you want to say, mwavakamba, maapozi nikangono, the apples are very small, okay? It's small. If you want to say, it's too expensive, you say, chaduri samaningi. It's just too expensive. So, have you got a cheaper one? Murina chochipako. Murina chochipako. Okay? You have a cheaper one. If you want to say, I'll take that one, I'll buy it, you say, nizachigula. Nizachigula, I'll buy it. If you want to say, how many do you need? You say, nivengati, how many? You want to say, it doesn't work. Siki sewenza. Siki sewenza. Can you give me another? Mungani pasi chinangu. This, when you say this, make sure you intonate up. Munange pasi chinangu. Like, to do that, you have to ask the question in that way. And then, do you have my size? Munana size yanga. You have to intonate up because you're asking a question. If you say, do you have the color blank? You say, Murina kala ya redi or Murina kala ya pepo. And pepo is pepo, not purple. Pepo. Okay? If you want to say, can I try it on? Ningayesemo. Ningayesemo. Can I try it on? Then if you want to say, how much is it? Zingati. You just say, ni zingati. And I like to say it fast. I feel like a lot of Nyanja speakers, they like to speak really fast. They say, ni zingati. So just say it quickly. Now, if you want to say, could you lower the price for me? Wezani ko ni mutengo? Can you just lower the price? Then if you want to say, I'll come back later, you say, Nizabuera na futi. Nizabuera, nafuti is like one of my favorite things to say in Zambia. If we just say I'm coming back, you say nizabuera. It's a fun phrase to say, especially if you're going somewhere else. And you're leaving someone, but you'll see him later. Ah, vakamba nizabuera, bossman. I'll be coming back. And then if you want to say, you are cheating me, you need nama boza. And boza is probably one of my favorite words to say. It's like you're lying or you're cheating me. So, you need nama boza. You're cheating me. If you want to say, I'm just looking, you say, yangana chabe. Yangana chabe. I'm just look. Okay? You say, Vakamba, I don't have much money. Bossman, I don't have much money. You say, Niribe indalama zambiri. Okay, zambiri is like lots. Dalama is money. Niribe is I don't have. Then if you say, here's the money. Iye indarama or indarama iye. Okay? Now, if you want to say, where can I buy shoes? You say, nikuti kwa mene ningagure sapatos. Sapatos is shoes, but you say, nikuti kwa mene ningagure sapatos. Okay? Do you sell mumagurisa? Do you sell shoes? Mumagurisa sapatos? Zona. Ufunika uenda kumbuyo. Yes, we do. You should go find them in the back. Okay? Now, if you want to ask, do you accept credit cards? You say, mumavomeleza kulupila nakadi. Okay? In the book, it says not credit card, but it's just assumed. You just say nakad. Mumavomeleza kulupila nakadi. Okay? You say, if it takes long or just pay cash, if the machine doesn't work, you just say, ngati zachedwa lekani nilipire cash. Okay, or just pay cash if it's the machine is kuribe. Okay? Is there an ATM nearby? Kuliko ATM pafupi? Kuliko ATM pafupi is nearby, if you remember that from a previous one. Okay? Then if you want to say, where can I change money? Nikuti kwa mene ningachinjirire indalama. Okay? Nikuti kwa mene ningachinjirire indalama. Indalama is the money. Have you got change for a 10 kwacha? Muri na change ya 10 kwacha? Muri na change ya 10 kwacha. Then if you want to say, please give me a receipt. Nipaseni receipt. Nipaseni receipt. Okay, that's please give me a receipt. And then if you want to say, please just give me my money back. You've just been so disappointed. Please give me my money back. Nibwezeleni indalama zanga. Nibwezeleni indalama zanga. That's please give me my money back. Hey, hope you have enjoyed this episode of the Zambian American. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Your subscription really does help. Make sure to click that little bell icon so you can get all the updates on when we drop a new video. The next section, we're going to be covering dining, all the places to eat and how to order at a restaurant. Natotera-san, natizao nana pa next time.